Welcome to Fix My Meeting Culture. Let's dive into how you can use our app to transform your meeting feedback process. First, create your account by signing up with your details. Once your account is set up, log in to begin. Only meeting initiators need accounts to create surveys and gather feedback. Participants can fill out surveys without an account, so there's no need to set up accounts for everyone in your organization. To create a meeting survey, navigate to the Create New Survey section. Fill in the meeting details, including the title, number of participants, date, duration, and goals. Describe what you aim to learn from this survey and set a closing date for responses. Click the Create Meeting Survey button. Once your survey is created, you'll get a unique link and QR codes. Display these during the meeting for in-person participants, or send the link via email or instant messaging for remote participants. Participants will find a series of about 15 questions on the survey page, ranging from numerical ratings to yes/no options, with space for detailed feedback. Back on your dashboard, monitor survey participation. When ready, close the survey to stop receiving responses. Closing the survey will automatically generate a detailed report available under the Report section. The report provides insights into the meeting effectiveness and actionable items, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement based on collective feedback. That's how simple it is to use Fix My Meeting Culture to get insightful feedback and improve your meetings. Thank you for choosing our app to enhance your meeting culture.